Today we will show you how to make a face pack with raw beetroot. We all want our skin to be naturally glowing without any makeup. Now we will peel the beetroots and cut them into small pieces because today we will grind them well and extract the juice. Let's know about some benefits of beetroot. This healthy veggie happens to be a powerhouse of folate, potassium, vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. So, eating this beetroot is equally beneficial for our skin. Applying this type of natural face pack is really good for our skin. But organic foods and fruits consumption is also necessary to get the best result. As it is an excellent source of antioxidants, this homemade face pack will give your skin a healthy boost. The vitamin C content of beetroot can help to remove dark spots and pigmentation. So, as a result, it will fulfill your skin whitening wish. We will roughly strain a small bowl of beetroot juice to make our face mask. You can make more if you want, but keep the ratio of all the ingredients right. You will definitely benefit. Now it's time to add raw milk as the second ingredient, which is a great natural toner and a moisturizer. Raw milk comprises lactic acid, which helps in getting an even skin tone, also cleans the pores. We will add 2 spoons of this raw milk here to make our face pack today. To make this DIY face pack today, we will add MULTANI MITTI or Fuller's Earth as the third ingredient. This mineral rich clay is an excellent choice to deep cleanse the skin. Also, MULTANI MITTI can help with sun tanning and pigmentation. Since we have chunks of it, we will make it powder with the help of a blender. If you want, you can buy powder from the market and use it. We need only 2 spoons here. Now mix all the ingredients well and the beetroot face pack will be ready very easily, just sitting at home. Now you can apply on your face and keep it until dry. Then wash with cool water. That's it, so simple.